Right guys, white-welled magnet fishing. We're doing an unbox today on the Magnet Store 330 clamp magnet, and we're also going to do a setup as well, so give you an idea of what you need to do. So as usual, it comes in the Magnet Store yellow box with Unleash the Power, get the power you deserve. Nice QR code there and a bit of information. So let's open the box. You can see foam packaging, and there it is. If you can see that. Magnet Store have also changed the packaging so it's a bit more protected rather than being in a universal magnet box. So it's now got the cutout and a bit for the eyelet. So let's take it out and have a look. Tell you something, there's a bit of weight to that. People say that it looks like the 220. Well, it does, but the 220, I have one here. Try and keep them apart. If you can. Oh, that's what you're not meant to do. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by the 220. There we have it, Magnet Store engraved logo. It's in between the weight of a 550 and a 220. It looks amazing. Can't wait to try it out. Obviously you get the magnet. And you get the eyelet as well. In case you're wondering, with the eyelet, it is slightly magnetic because it's stainless steel, but you can pull it away easily. There's no fault with the magnet. Same with the washer. It's got stainless steel, has a different compound makeup, so it doesn't stick to the magnet, whereas a normal washer, you'd be struggling to get it off. So yeah, the way I put these on is the spring washer on first and the thick washer, and you also need to use some kind of thread lock. So put your thread lock on to your bolt, he says, because we've not used it a while. The tip needs cutting off, just like that. And even that didn't work. So yeah, just put some on. You don't have to put as much on as me, but I don't want it to come out. And then screw your eye bolt in as far as you can get it. Then using something like this, be careful not to get your hand stuck. Get it tightened up as much as you can. And there we have it. Let the thread lock go off for 24 hours. Just give it a quick clean round. But as we're waiting for that, we'll just do a quick strength test. So here is our jar of pennies so far. I'll not put them all out just in case. I managed to pick all the little tips out up. Even on the side, I can hardly pull them off. Right, we'll try that again. It's like a wall of pennies. That's cool. Do it on the other side as well. There we go. We'll move on to something a bit more heavier in a second. Right, so now we've got a couple of bigger finds. We'll do the railway spike first. Wow, I did not want to let go. Try that again. You can feel the pull. I can't get it off. Oh. Oh. Right. Well, let's try half of a track chair. What do you reckon's gonna happen here? Can we pick it up with just the magnet? Yeah, that's not letting go. I can feel it pulling towards it from here. Yep, that's not letting go. Already made the magnet mucky already. I think Hannah might be annoyed at that, but never mind, we're testing it out. Let's get rid of that. What else can we test it on? So down there is a bike frame that Hannah got out the other day. Here we go. No problem. Bearing in mind that this bike frame was made in the 80s and it's rusted pretty much all the way through. Oh. There we go. It's got a Palomar knot, so basically get your rope, there's the end, bring both ends together into a loop, push both through there like that, and then you bring that under through, so it's like that, and then feed your magnet through that loop, and then just tighten all these up, making sure it looks neat in the process. You just keep pulling each one until it becomes tight. And there we have it. You've got 2 loops going through the eye and 3 wrap round. And then with this excess bit, I use something called self-amalgamating tape. It's not sticky at all. Basically pull that off there, start here, and you stretch it to twice its length. And because it's called self-amalgamating, you overlap it as you go round, and it sticks to itself, creating a watertight barrier. What I'll do is I'll speed this part of the video up. And when you get to the end, wrap it around single. And back over the double. Back around single again, just to seal the end up. You may think it's overkill, but I know it's not going to come off. Get a knife. And just stretch the last bit around. It says. And there you have it. Nice, neat rope. And we're ready to go fishing now. So next time you'll see it, we'll be out on the canal, being used by Hannah. Thanks for watching this little video. See you in the next one.